What's up, my beautiful people? Afternoon session. I just got back. I was on the road and just got back yesterday. Ooh, so I slept in. I'm having some mint tea. This is like mint, soursop leaf. Check out the mint. Ooh, get into it. I put some lemon in there. So I hopped in a few trades so far. I keep getting stopped out in profit. The goal is to get this thing when it pulls back a little bit in order to stay in until the end of the day. I wish I didn't sleep in, honestly, because this would have been a great opportunity to get this account to 800, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood, big baby. I went to Omaha this past weekend, and I had Omaha steak. I didn't care for it. They grilled it a little too much, but it was so cheap. Granted, I probably had like half a steak, but still, it was fairly cheap. It was good. You just had to put some sauce on it. I don't really like sauce on my steak. I like my steak rare. This tea is so good. Soursop leaf and mint. I want this thing to do another pullback before I hop on in this thing. My mom is so funny. She's so funny. Alright, there we go. Got a pullback coming. It looks like one. Good stuff. That one didn't pull back deep enough for me, so hopefully you don't run now. when it comes to like the 2 o'clock time frame, between 2 and 2:30, anything goes. I mean, anything goes, because this market has been pushing up all freaking day. Okay, and at 2 o'clock you have a 2 o'clock reversion, you're cooked. So I do want to get it. If I'm going to get in this thing, I do want to get it at anywhere around here. Really and truly, my original entry I had was like right here, but it didn't come back down here, so I just kept put a limit up here. It hit it when I put it in profit, put a stop loss in profit. When I came back down, hit it, same thing, time after time after time. So trying to be patient, but it's never fun to trade around these times. It's just that I want to get in a trade today. The goal is to get this account up to 800, or at least 500. But there just hadn't been any really, really good trades that I could put a 5 lot on. So I've just been going on one lot because this thing could very well reverse. See, if I held that, I think we're gonna pop up. But on footprint, the last print is 20. I would say maybe about like last year, year before. If you see a low number in a footprint, you could trust it. Now, I think it go from 20 to like 5,000. We got 29 seconds left on this candle. I'll just wait. I used to trade afternoon session like faithfully. I never did. I never did 9:30 open. None of that. It used to move too fast for me. Now, like my first day back, if I don't sleep good that night, I don't even wake up and trade. I've blown so many accounts like that. Let me start looking at some stuff here. I would hate to put on a 5 lot on this particular account right now, especially not seeing a good setup. Fall already, my gosh. Yeah, I didn't go in as deep as I needed to go to, but I don't want to rush it. I need a deeper pullback. Probably not really gonna give it to me, but we shall see. Well, on ESV zeroed out, so that's good at the bottom. See, this is why I wouldn't want to get in up here. Because then I'd be down 37. I only made about $33 today. Keep getting stuck out in profit. Not any large profit, but profit is profit. You feel me? Okay, there we go. Kind of a little late. Hopefully this don't cost me, but it is what it is. Okay, and because we are in a 5 lot, couldn't even let that thing breathe, boy. Hopefully it pulls back down. Probably won't though. My philosophy is see profit, take profit. I'm reading up on my tea. Reason being, I've been greedy a lot of times. A couple hundred, like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna go ahead and take anything. I'm gonna let it run. And especially at the end of the day, will lose everything at the end of the day. So even if I get stopped out in profit, I'd much rather that versus not getting anything and it just swings back really fast. And I take either a loss on it, or I'd rather get something small than breaking even on it. I'm looking to get in and then have it a pop. Like getting in right here, and then it just like popping straight up. Which is probably gonna do it. Shit. You know what, I'll get in a one lot. There's 20 on footprint. This last print on TPO is bothering me. It could grow, but I don't want it to be the day that it doesn't, and then I get cooked to the downside. So I'll wait. I'll be patient. I'll sit on my hands. Man, on this account, we're not even up $100 yet. Oh my gosh. That's the thing. When you're building back an account, you gotta have so much patience. You gotta have so much patience. Let's see if we got any people on here. Okay, we got 2 viewers. Okay, let's go. Put a little message in there for y'all. I think 5 lot, like right here, would be good. They come like right here. Go hard or go home. Back to your residence. I don't know why that just came in my head, but it did. And the reason why looking at this, if this want to do a deep pullback all the way to down here, maybe it's view up or this level I marked off earlier, it can. So that's why I'm being really careful right here. But this on a 5 lot is like 800 and change. I might have to do Asia session tonight. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna get this on NQ. We got 2 minutes on here. Good thing we zeroed out down here. Okay, let's try this again from right here. And what I'm gonna do is I don't like the fact that this POC came down here. This one, I think I just broke even on that. Wait, did I? Yeah, this move right here is exactly why I put that set time. I made $20 off of it, not bad. I don't know why my throat has been on fire for the past couple of days. This is the second POC to be lower. So I see them. Sit tight. ES is trying to head to the downside. Ooh, we had our first candle in a while that went lower on the ES. Well, I am happy I did not stay in that one. It's been out $80. And that's why you see profit, you take profit. Even if you don't take the whole thing. Got 32 seconds on this thing. ES zeroed out. This one still look like it got some room. But this level right here, it's been being tested, but it didn't break. 1, 2, 3. Are we gonna break now? Didn't break again. This could very well just be a slight pullback to go higher, but I don't see the imbalances at 350 going to the sell side. I mean, I just can't see it. So if I got in here, got up 120. I wouldn't dare sell this for this thing to be popping up unless we just selling off, like unless we start doing this like this thing here and we go past the VWAP. I am not selling it. Let me drink my little tea before I get cold. Dang. Let's see what she got. Original entry, I would love to get it right here. I'm looking at TPO and Getting in about right here is reasonable. Yeah, this thing could come down. If it break this level right here, it could definitely go down because I keep testing it, right? So it test. I think I'm too close, but test. When you look at the delta on ES, it just changed. I said, look at the delta on ES, it's actually red to the downside, but it's negative. When you look at the delta on NQ, thing ready to blast off. POC is still right here, so let's see if this is just a nice little pullback to go to the downside, or if this entire thing right here was just a pullback, which I believe that's what it is. I think this entire thing right here was a pullback, but the TPO is singing a different song, man. I don't like this 20 up there. If we get a hard pump, I had a limit up here for my take profit. Well, I had a take profit up here, but yeah, I just took everything off. It's a little dark in here. I do have a little bit of FOMO right now, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, because looking at it, this thing could have broken and go to the downside, but I wanted to make sure. Hey, babe. Go ahead and be annoying. Yup. And there she is. She might just go and left me. Yeah. Test. So that 20 print is now 445. I'm just gonna wait. If it's gonna run, it's gonna run. I don't want to be getting stuck at the top. And it made a new high. Ooh. Okay, I know what I said, but this POC moving up here though. Okay, let's see. Yeah, shorty. I might get in like a 1, but I'm gonna trail it, right? Okay. I'm not gonna close this one out. 9 out of 10 times it's probably gonna come back down. But this is just more or less insurance in the event it doesn't come back down, it just shoots up. So I'll be in 1. Let's see. I could always get in 1 at the bottom. Oh, my friend just had her baby. Oh. Okay, we're at. My friend just had a little girl. Okay. Part of me is like, girl, you could get in another setup. Just go ahead and put a stop loss so at least you can make. Yeah, I'm definitely putting a stop loss up here. Hopefully it doesn't take me out and run. And if it runs, I need it to do like a really, really hard push. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. It is what it is. Yep, we're officially over $100 on this account for the day, so that's good. The goal is definitely way more than 100, but at least we know we have some room to let trades run a little further. That 5 lot right here would have been epic. So yeah, this thing look like it's slowing down because I take it as really almost the end of the day. So it's slowing down, however, it's because of these little pullbacks. So like all this seems to just be a pullback to go further. This is where the trickery starts, because on TPO around this area is like your last print. And if anybody's looking at this and they use footprint and TP and all that, they're probably thinking, oh, the run for the day is over, right? So If you're thinking the run for the day is over, you're wanting to get into a sell right here. I mean, you could have, when this thing zeroed out, you could have easily, all right, cool, make this, but if you got in about right here at this level for the downside, man, yeah, you're probably getting cooked right now. And just to show you how it correlates with NQ, that's how I'm on NQ with these small accounts, because on NQ, it is very unforgiving. So if you got in here on a one line on NQ, you've done $1,200. But a 5 lot, you know, 650, so about half of that. So if you think of MNQ and NQ, just think 50%. Oh man, my tea is done. Oh. Okay, so last sip of my tea. Yum. No, don't keep pushing up. Come on. I need you to come back down and get me. So I got it right here. I'm not complaining too much. I got it right here. What do you do? A take profit it is. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to be greedy. I'm going to get in right here. The goal is that it comes back and get me. But if we happen to have any push to the downside and we get about right here, I'm going to go ahead and put this limit right here. So we got 55 seconds. Thing look like it's pushing up. Yes, it's finally going to the upside as well. Well, some sort of momentum at least. Alright, so I'm not even gonna do this on a 5. I'm gonna keep this 5, this limit right here, that's 5. I'm gonna keep it here. But I'm also going to, yeah, it's probably not coming back down. Put this limit at 2 right here. So the next, when I'm looking at TPO, the next level is actually up here. So let's see how hard it's gonna fall, if it's gonna fall. So look at that 15-minute candle on footprint. Yeah, shorty trying to go up. Let's see what we got in the chat. Hey, Trades by Nio. Good afternoon. How are you? Are you trading right now? I don't want formal to like kick my butt, but I do want to go ahead and get in. Because on 5 lot going down here, what's the 2 lot? See, this is what I didn't want to see this little pullback right here, which it's not much, like 20 something, but when you look at what I made for the day, Oh man, I'm so mad at myself. And I'm gonna put my alarm on. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I had enough rest coming back. I watch this market not do this tomorrow. I'll tell you. So I'm just gonna put some insurance right here. Dang. Well, the insurance was for it in the event it pops up. It like got me in and then went back down. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. I pay about $1 or $2 per trade. So it's 91 cents. So anything underneath 3 to 4, really $5, it's like I'm not putting a take profit in place. See, this is what FOMO gets you. Tisk tisk. It'd be nice for it to come get my limit down here. Really and truly, this limit on footprint should be like right here. I need to start getting greedy with my entries. Well, more or less patient, but wanting to maximize the amount that I'm trying to get with my entries. And then when it comes to my take profits, having them lower. I already have them a little lower than where I believe it's gonna go. It's just with the take profits, I tend to, when I don't map it out, I tend to get greedy on them. But if I get better entries, for example, normally I have my entry at VWAP, right? As we've seen, past VWAP, past VWAP, past VWAP. Not only has it passed VWAP, but when I look at these, you can see that on TPO, they're all at the same level, even if on footprint, it might be, you know, a little higher, a little lower, a little higher, right? So I just moved it where it's a possibility to pull back on footprint, on TPO. And hopefully it'll slam down into my limit, grab me and pull me. If it comes back down to here, oops, it's not even in the chart. If it comes back down to here, I'm not even mad if it gets me. What that would be, what, a 3 lot? Let's see. So I want 89. But I'm open to it because I do believe this thing is going to go higher. It's just, you know, has to do its thing. about right here. So what I see on footprint is that about right here is where I could put another limit in, but it's already moving back up. And sometimes that's the thing, like when you have a limit in, sometimes they'll come get it, and if it's in a bullish uptrend or downtrend, sometimes it's just not coming all the way back. Just like this, if I had a limit waiting right here, this one came down, but it wouldn't hit it, but this one would. So it's good to be patient. Like I said, I got insurance. I have one limit that I got in up here. Ooh, this thing just zeroed out though, so I'm gonna put this one here. Look like it's gonna tap me in. So because I did that, I'm gonna remove this. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if, yeah, I'm gonna put the limit for about up here. And the reason why I got another one because it's zeroed out. We still got 6 minutes on this candle, so anything goes. Let's see. Don't come close to my limit and not at least do a little pump. So on a 2 lot for this, you get me back to the high. That's 83. So we'll be up at least getting back. If we get over this entry, we'll be up at least like what, 180, almost 200 on the day. So yes sir. That's what happens when you decide you wanna sleep in. But I really had to sleep in. Like, I don't know if it's coming across the video, but like my voice sounds really, I have like a, not a squeaky voice, but I have like a like my voice is my voice is not this, you know, like, I don't want to say deep, but it's not like this raw like it is today. But my throat is definitely giving me a little issues. Oh, let me see what we got in the chat. Okay, we have 4 viewers. Okay, let's go. Almost 3 o'clock, so let's see what we got. Do y'all like my song? This song was made just for me. Hopefully y'all like it. I like it. Alright. We've got 3 minutes left on this candle. ES, Inc, and Q, the delta is actually red and in the negative. So let's see what's going to happen here. We got 2 minutes and some change left. Now, if this comes and to entry, which is probably going to hit for you out. Probably go down here. You know what? Let's manage risk properly. I'm already in 2. I'm going to take that one out at the bottom. A 5, just because if it happens to slam down, if it does decide I want to do a U-turn, at the end of the day, I don't want to be trying to manage a 7-lot trade. I just rather manage a 2-lot trade. Do I think it has room to go to the upside? Yes, I do. Matter of fact, I do believe it has room to go all the way up here, but I put in my limit right here. We have 1 minute and about 40 seconds left on this candle. So I'm going to let it do its thing before I even hop back in. I'm thinking about starting to trade my, go back to trading my real account. This prop firm accounts I have. Okay, we just zeroed out. We still got a minute though, so I don't want to touch it yet. Let it do its thing and then wait and see what the next candle brings. But that was this entry right here. Now this is a 5-lot entry. On a 5-lot entry, because technically a VWAP and zeroed out. So by the time you see it, it's about right here. Oh, it's coming back down now. But even if you got it right here, on a 5-lot entry, it came all the way up here to $75. You do that a couple times, and you just wait. You can end the day with like $500 to $1,000 on a day. I don't like the fact that it pushed up earlier, and then we also have these POCs not, you know, not together. Now it's together and it's F you up. That I don't particularly like, but we also, I mean, it's 14 minutes on here. And we just started a new print. We're in Q now. So if we come down here, I just broke a rule, which, like I said, this account don't have a lot of room to actually hold trades that are in the negative, right? Just build it back up over 50. The rule that I broke is if I'm up $200, whatever profit I'm up for the day, if I have that in loss, I need to close the trade. Reason being, that way, if I get, for one, I get to cut a losing trade really early, and then I still break even for the day versus being in a drawdown or blowing an account. However, this is a 3 o'clock candle. Let's see what it brings. I don't like the fact that the POC is all the way down there. Of course, the market likes to play with me, so it came right here, right underneath the entry, to go back down. But now we have the delta is now green on NQ ES. Delta is still red, so let's see what we got. You know, I'll honestly be okay if I'm gonna put my first limit right here. I'll be okay if that happens. We got a 108 up here. I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna let the market do its thing, you know. So we zeroed out on ES, but let's see. This could be the reversal for the day. But we hadn't passed this level yet. Hopefully we don't even hit it. Hopefully we go back up. There's no hope in trading. So we're between... We keep dancing around this POC between right here and right here, right? We keep dancing between those right here. But there's another one that's all the way up here. And then there's another one that's down here. I hate the way this POC is just trying to drop. But we're still not below this level. Let's see what I was looking like here. It's about 2 and change. So bring me below that 50K. Don't like that very much, but it is what it is, shawty. So we lost this, yeah, ES is just trying to push down, so is NQ. Looks like it's trying to form a wick on this 4 hour. I do think we have some room to the upside. I really, really do. But for how aggressive this thing is moving down, I don't trust it to get in right here. I just don't. But let's see what she gives us. Let's see what she gives us. Let's see what shorty gives us. On the 1 hour, got a little baby red candle. It could be just forming that wick at the bottom on this 1 hour, but interesting. Interesting. On the Williams R, it's been over 20 all day. If it does come down, it'll top 20 and then go back up. So it's definitely still giving me an indicator that it's, well, at least on a 15-minute, that it's wanting to push up. It didn't break this level, but once again, we still got 8 minutes on this candle, so you never know. On a 5-minute, went down to the 80, trying to make its way back up to the 20. So let's see. I wish I had some honey in here. I put no honey in this tea. I'm thinking about going ITAL. Like eating all ITAL food for like a month. Really, I think I need more than a month. I think I need like 2 to 3 months. But the way my schedule be set up. And the way my man be feeding me. Child. Trying not to be a big back over here. But no, I really do need to, I've been looking up some recipes and stuff. Other than the things that I normally eat. So I love green banana and saltfish, but I'll cut out the saltfish, do green banana, and do, instead of veggie chunks, do more of a, I don't want to say a walnut, period. I'm not doing that nut substitution for meat and all that. I'm just not doing it. I could probably do like make my own bean burgers and then smash it. Or like my bean crumbles. I could probably do that. And put it over like the green banana or some mushroom. So, yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. And I want to do at least a minimum a week of just only fruits and vegetables. Like grapes, jackfruit. I am such a lover of jackfruit. Oh my gosh. Oh. Soursop. But I would have to go home to get that stuff because, well, jackfruit I would get here at a farmer's market. But soursop, it would piss me off if I bring home a soursop and it's just not hitting like it should. So yeah, I would need to go home, get a couple of soursop, freeze the pulp, and then just have like a soursop smoothie every day. And some fresh coconut water. Oh gosh, if I could get some fresh coconut water right now, oh, my heart would be so happy. Not the fresh coconut water from the store in the US, because in the store in the US, what I find is that like they get the ones from Thailand and like for some reason they toast it, so you drink it, it tastes like it's toasted or it was on fire. No, I want the fresh, natural coconut water. I need to go home and get some around. Shorty is trying to go down. Why? I don't know. Girl, go up. What are you doing? Okay, there we go. 5 minutes to get the second candle. She look like she wanna go up. Sheila says this candle needs to turn green on a 15. We got 4 minutes left on this candle on 15. See, this is what I was talking about earlier for the entries. I was just really impatient. And then I decided to put in another entry, but I should have waited for this. Well, I ain't gonna lie, my thing was down here. My five lot was down here, because that's what I'm looking at. TPO have the possibility to get down here. So my 5 lot was down here. I think my 2 lot was about like right here. So still wouldn't hit it, but at least I could have moved the 2 lot up here as it's pushing down, and when it come back up, it would have grabbed me to push me up. But now this is so over the VWAP. I'm just gonna let this candle do its thing. I'm just not gonna close it. Getting to 500 today, like today, would be good, because then I would be close enough to where I would feel comfortable going ahead and copying these accounts. I don't even know how that account got so low. I think a revenge trade was after, it wasn't earnings. Something happened and then I revenge traded one account, and that's how it ended up being so low. Like, pissing me off. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. I got this balls, like a little trinket giveaway thing when I was at Google. And that pillow back there too. My little YouTube and my little Chrome. Google days were the good days, I'm not gonna lie. But they laid your girl off, man. They laid your girl off. Come on now. We don't need you to go down, we need you to go up. My curls are like gone. What's that? I curled my hair. I put in like these Bantu, not Bantu, not these like soft rods. I woke up this morning, they were bouncing and behaving, and now they have just fell. I guess, child. Need some water. Alright, it's POC moving back down. Hopefully this is not a push to the downside. I really don't want to add to this. I really don't. But this thing is kind of high. So if I could add to it at the bottom, a 2 lot, and then I'm in a 4 lot, I don't see that as being too bad. And then I would hold the 4 lot for up here. So it would, if I add to this trade, I'm gonna hold it. So it'll be 9 seconds, about 5 seconds. Okay, 1 second, new candle. Here we go with the BS. This delta is over 10 to the downside. I don't like it. But we zeroed out on both ends, so let's see. I still don't want to add to this thing yet. Part of me feel like I should though. So we hit view up. It's kind of interesting that we hit view up and we push down. We got a POC that just moved above the previous one, so what I don't like on this, to be honest, this entire day, looking at the candlestick chart from 10:15 till 3 o'clock, Williams R has been trending up, and at about 11:30 it was well over this 20, right? Now we look like we're trying to go below the 20 on the Williams R. I don't like that, because it could be a reversal. But let's see. This thing would need to shoot up. This being zeroed out right here is okay. Good. I see it zeroed out again. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Need some buyers to step in right here. Delta is now green, but it's not as high as when it was in a negative. ES, however, is trying to push up, but it's zeroed out on the top. So if I close this trade right now, I would only be down $11 for the day. Oh. Okay, I would have been up $14 for the day if I close it right now. Even if I didn't add, I'm still not gonna close it. I'm gonna watch this thing. Just work. Well, this isn't good. I drink mint water. Okay. I still want to see more than that though, because I need this candle to go past this previous candle, but actually shoot up. Not just get here and stop. Got about right here. Should have right here. This key went here. This was this one. Yeah, I'm just hold on to it, see what happened. Delta is way higher to the upside on ES. I thought about trading ES at one point. But that was short-lived. I don't know why, like... I need to look into it a little bit more. This doesn't make me feel good at all. I need this thing to pop, man. I don't need this thing to just kind of like go gradual. I need this thing to pop. Why? Why? This thing needs to... I'm thinking right on my entry and right back down. Well. What do we have here? Come on. I know you got it in you. actually like the song. Let's go. Normally, I would put a stop loss in profit, but I don't like the fact she zeroed out though. That doesn't make me feel good though. I'm not doing it. No, because I probably won't go back lower, but it is what it is. You had one job and one job only. The guard is talking. Oh, crap. I got 3 minutes left on this candle. Ouch. Another reason why I want to go ITAL, you know, I've been eating too good. I need to lose some weight. This is happy weight, but it gotta go. My clothes be like low-key mag tight. I shouldn't even say low-key, I should say high-key tight. We got a minute and like 40 something seconds. Officially now a minute and a half. Let's see if this thing could go ahead and blast past this entry. I don't like what this candle is doing at all. Like at all. Ten seconds. I don't like what this is doing at all. That's why when you see profit, you take profit. Even if I took profit on this and put it right here, I've been up 32. Wait for this, and it could actually enter when it comes below this for a push up. Right? Waited for it a little bit. Even if I entered right here for a push up, and now it's zeroed out, enter right here. That would make sense. But you saw how I got in that first that first entry. I'm just let us do its thing though. POC is now at this very level on TPO chart, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. Let it do it. Let it do its thing. I'm worried about it. Mm. Don't cook me at the end of the day now. Yeah, this could look at the end of the day reversal. Let's do that in the chat. What's up, y'all? We got some people in here. What type of music is playing? Man, this song was made specifically, but especially for me. Got some really good lyrics to it. I guess you could call it maybe dancehall. It has more of a dancehall beat. Genre be dancehall. But if you listen to the words, it's definitely talking about having patience and trading and all that good stuff. Why do you like trading the close? Honestly, I don't like trading the close per se. I know I've probably traded the close more than anything. It's not that I like it, it's just that, so for one, I have a job outside of this, and my job requires me to travel. So when I get home from traveling, I really don't like hopping on the charts. Really tired. I've done that and blow up in New York Open. So what I prefer to do actually is to trade anywhere from 10 to 10:30. So it's 30 minutes, kind of watch it, see what's doing. Because if you're gonna have a Judas swing in the morning, like that 9:30 candle, then it kind of course corrects itself, and you kind of have an idea of where it's going for the day, if it's gonna go ahead and go into whatever trend, or if it's just gonna go ahead and whip whap back and forth, and then you find some sort of channel you can trade in. So I like to trade around those times, but I don't know if y'all could hear it, but my voice is a little bit I don't want to say deeper, but long story short, I feel fine. It's just that my body, I guess, was exhausted. I just had my throat was just really itchy and just not 100% per se. So I was tired, and by the time I woke up, I didn't want to force into any trades, which if I did, I would have caught this, right? But I didn't want to just force into any trades. So I waited, got myself together, took a look at what the market was doing, kind of waited for some pullbacks here. However, even if I waited for the pullbacks, I kept getting stopped out in profit, which is the reason why I made over $100 today, right? So I can't even be mad at that. But if you look right here, these are all my entries and exits. All this, but this was on a one lot. So I had some limits. Honestly, I got impatient. My limit still wouldn't have hit yet though, but got impatient and then kind of hopped in. And that's where we're at now. Hopped in here. Hopped in right here initially. And then right here. And now we're down here. So, and it did come up. I just didn't take it because I wanted it to hit the high. And I'm working on holding on to my trades longer. I mean, I've gotten payouts and be able to trade my own account all by taking small wins, small profits. Yeah, but I wanna get to a place or a point where I'm holding my trade and trusting my trade. So I didn't want to take it when it got here, and it came back all the way down goal is for this to just go straight past this. My initial, or the one where I do think it's gonna go, I do believe it had the possibility of getting like right here, a little further than that, but like, let's say like right here. However, the time of the day, this could be an afternoon reversal, but we'll see. So it's not that I love trading the close or like it. It's just I end up trading it because that's what happens. I'm just way too tired today. Tomorrow I am going to work on not being tired in the morning and getting up and trading London session. I mean, not London session. London session actually might not be too bad, but New York session. POC is right there. I just need to try and move this 649 up. The last print on TPO. If it does that, I mean, we're Gucci. But the delta is red on both ends, so let's see. But primarily 38.24. What session do you trade? Do you trade? All right, let's go, shorty. We got almost what? Less than 10 seconds, less than 5 minutes. I know you can do it. Let's see what the 15 got. This is probably just this was probably all just a shakeout. Or this could possibly be and then slam down. I'm still not gonna say it tapped me. I mean, I could very well get out. I'm not gonna take it. Let me change the song. Yeah, shorty look like she's trying to come down. I don't like that. Oh, you only trade NQ? Oh, New York session. Nice. So you like that volatility. What's your strategy? I'm always curious to hear people's strategy that trade like 9:30, 9:45. I mean, not saying I don't do it. I do it. I'm just always curious to hear the strategy because it's so volatile at that point. Like trading open. Oh my gosh. Alright, we look like we're moving down, which isn't good. Not sure if it's still in a shakeout phase or what this thing got going on. I just dropped my water. We got less than 1 minute. Well, not quite. My minty water. Shorty, I need you to like pop, like go up. It's the impatience, because I should have definitely gotten in down here. I should have been listening to the song earlier, talking about patience. Oh, man. It's crazy because I'll speak for myself. I know a lot of these things of what not to do and all this stuff, but you get on the charts and it's just different, man. So I need to get more disciplined, especially like, I feel like once I get disciplined as it pertains to like eating healthy and working out and stuff, it'll help me with my discipline in trading, because I done fell off. And I know when I was really, really disciplined is when I got like my biggest payouts. So I need to go back to that. I really do. Alright, I cleaned up my little water mix. I thought it was water and not like something else. I don't want to add to this. We're almost at 350 in balances, so that's also another reason why I just want to leave this thing alone and let it do what it wants. Hopefully we don't have nothing to the sell side, because that would not be good. But I've gotten more responsible. And what I am going to do is put in a stop loss. So Delta right now is showing positive, showing green. So let's see, but we got 13 minutes left on this candle, so ain't no telling. Well, ES is actually in negative, NQ showing positive. If we do get above this level right here and we get to the high, I will put a stop loss in profit. I didn't want to do that, but we're so close to imbalances. The goal is that it gets there before 350, but it's 347, so let's see. Let me set this up real quick. I need to put in a stop loss. Gotta be responsible. Man, it's tough. I would like to put a stop loss in the event imbalances go crazy. But then again, I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put in one. I would hate for it to especially knock me out and go up, but we got in the chat. Oh, nice, nice. Yes, Di Lorenzo and a Benzo. Yeah, are you in his group? I'm in his group. Yeah, I actually got my setup from him. Yeah, it's cool. I have the TP on ES as well. Yeah, but they're just on other screens. Yeah, so you pretty much have his setup. Yeah, I have my TPO to the right. I have my candlestick to the left, and then I have ES at the bottom. I have another screen, so I have like a wide screen at the top, and then I have a small screen at the bottom. Matter of fact, so this is my TPO, and then my candlestick right here. See, this is what I didn't want. I'm gonna close this, and the reason why I'm gonna close this is because for the life of me, I can't see. So imbalances came out. For the life of me, I can't see that imbalances to the downside after we have literally been buying. We have been going in an uptrend all day. Dang. It would have been closed out right now. I just don't understand the imbalances being to the sell side though. Yeah, we did have some to the sell side. Dang it. And a day reversal. So NQ negative 2,799. Let's see what we got. Yeah, 9 out of 10 times I'm gonna be on Asian session. We might have to take an L for the day, y'all. I think this would be my first day on our L. Is it? Like on stream. The ones I've had it ended pretty good. Even if the profit sometimes wasn't as huge as I would like. It ended good. Could this be the end of the reversal right here? I think so, y'all. I think so. We got 6 minutes left on this candle. ES and NQ delta is red. Both deltas are red. So hopefully we find some momentum to the upside, even if it's not for a long time, it's like really brief. Colors on hope and trading. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. And this is why I say see profit, take profit, because even if it wasn't a whole lot, I could have at least been up right here and then grab this here. Even if I got this off of it, it would have been fine, but we just gotta sit and wait. See if we're gonna dip some more or if we're at least gonna pop up for one last time for the day. I didn't drink too much. I got a whole thing of tea and a little bit of water. I have much water for today. I probably had maybe a bottle, half a bottle. Okay. Okay, you can do it. Come on now. And it balances to the sell side. However, it's just really hard to believe. Like, we've been going up all day. So we got 5 minutes till close. Let's see what this thing gives us. 5 minutes till close. I don't know, some people are probably like, yeah, 2 people in chat. So I know y'all like, why the hell she just still put it as stop loss, so if it goes lower, at least you make, well, she'll only be down $50 on the day. Because I really believe that we have some prints at the top that this thing can hit. Oh, my bad, Premier League. I wasn't on here. You're very brave to be buying at the top and they're closed. Out of DCA like crazy to get out. Come on, DCA girl. Man, listen. This account, I built this account back. It was like at 49 something. I built it back. I honestly don't like to DCA. You're right. Buying at the top and they're closed because we've been trending up all day. Yeah, we've been trending up all day, so it could very well just be like, all right, cool, this is the reversal, which I've been kind of eyeing it. However, when I look at, you say you use TPO, when I look at TPO, we have a level up here that they've been trying to hit. So the goal is that it hits it before it turns down. If it turns down, honestly, I'm to the point to where I am just trying my best to hold my trades. Not only hold my trades, but believe in my thesis. I could have very well DCA and be out by now. But I hate DCAing because especially I trade MAQ in these particular accounts. Now, if it was NQ, and it sounds crazy, but if it was NQ, I would have much rather DCA because you have a greater chance of getting out, right? The lots hold a lot more weight. On MAQ, however, you could end up being in like a 6 lot, and before you know it, you're like on a 10-20 lot, and it's just as if you want NQ. And if that thing decides it wants to be a falling knife or it want to, you know, pop up, you're cooked. So we got 3 minutes to close. The goal is that we do get a pop to the upside. Once we get a pop to the upside, I will put a take profit, a stop loss, a take profit, technically, or stop loss and profit. But I do see it going up here. At least that's one of my thesis. We just zeroed out right here, so it could very well just go back down at this point, it is just, I would say, a risk that I'm willing to take. It's a risk I'm willing to take. And we've been going up all day, so I'm just like, how the hell imbalances come out and we're low? All right, so once again, the market is teasing me. It's definitely teasing. We got a minute and some change. We're zeroed out on both NQ and MNQ. We're zeroed out on NQ and ES. He said, "Come on, DCA girl." You're funny. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. We got 45 seconds. It's the greed. It's the greed. I know. It's the greed. Because I could have gotten this. Got 29 seconds. Oh. I feel... It is what it is. I'm out, y'all. Another profitable day. We're only up 160. Yeah, I need to listen to Patient Pays a lot more. Reason being, if I had patience, I would have waited here every single time and be perfectly fine. My flat, okay, I'm flat. So yeah, Premier League. DCA Vomit. Premier League 3824 said DCA Vomit. Yep, I'm here. Yeah, I saw I'm in profit. I closed it out. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna shut it down. What I normally do, I shut it down and then I will call my mom, my dad, you know, I speak to my loved ones. I go kick it with my man for a minute. Whatever phone calls I've had during this session, I try to return those calls if I had any pressing things. If I hadn't gotten to it yet, like I have to go talk to a tenant, have a tough conversation with her, things like that. I normally do that before, kind of get my mind off trading, and then I come back for Asian session. I'm probably gonna stream tonight. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. I do need to take some Benadryl and stuff. Just try to make sure that whatever it is that's trying to linger, trying to tap me a bit, I can deal with head on. So yeah, I'm probably gonna stream tonight. What I will try to do is hop on, look for a setup for Asian session and then hold it, right? I'll hold my trade. So I really want to get this thing back up. So I need about, just call it 500 and some change in order to get close to where I need to be in order to start copying these accounts. So we'll see. We shall see. But yeah, this thing ain't doing much. Alright, y'all. Peace, love, and happy trading. I'll see y'all probably at Asian session. If not Asian session, we'll see y'all tomorrow. And let me see in the comments real quick. I appreciate it, man. Well done. I appreciate it. You should stream. Hold on. This thing is kind of hard to read. Pull it up on here. You should stream Asian but landscape view. Okay. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, take a minute. I've been on here almost 2 hours, so I'm gonna take a minute, kind of check in with my family and friends, and then get some business stuff done. And yeah, I'll make sure I do landscape view And I'll go ahead and try to knock out that stream. Cool? Alright, y'all. Peace, love, and happy trading.